We're at Sykes Lane, Rutland Water, and what's it, about 10:30? Yeah. 10:30. You can see how many cars are here, about a dozen, and our motorhome is facing the water down there, and won't do much of a video, but I might do a video relating to the windows on the van and to do with moisture ingress, because I know X-Pores, another YouTube channel we follow, of getting problems with their sliding windows, so we can probably do a little video to do with that. Back at the car park, seems to be less cars, but there's 2 motorhomes. So we've done a 5-mile walk with no coffee, no cake. Now, diesel heater's going to go on today, definitely. I wonder if they're YouTubers over there. Hi YouTubers, this part of the video is for X-Pores, and it's to do with these sliding windows on motorhomes, cars, anything. And whenever I've encountered them on any vehicle I've owned or seen, they've always leaked. And the worst ones are the ones that are at the top, because they slide and they tilt in, so water gathers in the sliding section. Now, people don't realise there's drain holes. Now you can see them on mine, and you've got to make sure that they're clear. Look there, poke a key in, see it there, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See, make sure they're clear. Some people seal them up, and it's the worst thing you can do, because then, you know, the water builds up and then it runs on the inside. And yeah, on some motorhomes and vans you'll see a dent here which goes under the rubber, you know, like here. This van hasn't got it, and that's where the water drains as well. Jane, can you open this window? Now, the modification done to ours in its lifetime, we don't could see, there's this metal plate been put up, and this stops the water that lays in here from actually running inside the van. This bit here, can you see it? This metal bit. Not all vans have got it, but you still get a certain amount of water. You can see where the water's been and dried there. There's like a stone mark. I'll just shut that now. And it's the same. You see these holes here? Some people paint these rubbers or seal them and block these holes up. If we go on the other side of the van, you can see them here. And on this one you can see the muck, and this is where the water has run out and brought the muck with it, you know. Put your screwdriver in there, you'll see. In fact, there's water in. Look, you see muck. You have to make sure these are clean. Look, there's water in that one. Yeah, I see the water. How's this one doing? That one's alright. But you've got to make sure that they're clear. Another place this water gets in is this here. But the idea is it runs down there into this trough and out these holes. The worst is the ones at the top, as I said earlier. You probably can see the holes there. There's only 6. There's a bit of muck in that one. You can see it sticking out. Okay, I thought I'd just show you the sliding part of the window from the inside that we can see here. This black section here, this stops the water running inside the van. It does lie in water, you know, when it's raining, you know, in here you can put your finger in it. and it's about an inch high from like the rubber, and it goes all the way along under here, and it's the same as these. You can see there's a big black, there's a rubber here, there's like a rail, and this has probably got water in. Let's have a look. Yeah, look, it's dripping off my fingers, water in here. And it's the same the other side of the van. Let's have a look. Here's the curtains. Water. It's always got water on this side. And a few dead insects in the plastic. No, you haven't got any. That's her parked up at Rutland Water, and got the diesel heater switched on, so you can hear it from here actually. Looks fantastic again today. Don't know how many times we come here, there's always a different view of the old church.